Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to use the new Pat McGrath palette. This one is the Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. It is the holiday palette for this year, 2021. Ta-da! So pretty. I created this fall look, perfect for Thanksgiving. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. Hold on. As you guys know, I have been working with Ana Luisa, and the jewelries that I wear in my channel is from Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is offering 20% off the entire site. Yes, you guys, you have to go and check them out. I am going to link in the description box everything that you have to know. Check that out. There's a lot of things that you guys have to know about Ana Luisa, but my favorite thing is they have warranty. They have 1-year warranty. So if you buy from them, you get this warranty. You guys know how important that is, because a lot of jewelries, they just fade or they just tarnish, turn black, turn green on you. Ana Luisa is gonna take care of you. They have great customer service. All these rings are from Ana Luisa. I've been wearing them, washing them. I wash my hands so many times every day and they're still looking good. Ana Luisa are gold plated. These one are solid gold side by side. You can't really tell. Ana Luisa looks so good. They're quality, high quality. The prices are good. They have warranty and excellent customer service. I love working with them. I'm also wearing some earrings from Ana Luisa. They are pampering me, guys. And a necklace. This is a locket. There's something inside. A note from my husband. I put it there when he was deployed and I was wearing this during his deployment. Where can you buy a locket nowadays? This is old school and I love it so much that Ana Luisa is still doing it. I love this so much. Prices are so good. These rings, you don't want to know how much I pay for them. And these rings are so affordable. Check them out. Thank you so much for listening. Now here's the video. First I'm going to use is the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. This one has HA3 and peptide serum and it really feels hydrating every time I use it. Next for my foundation, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. This one is in light medium 14. I use 2 to 3 pumps. First, I distribute it all over my face and then I'm gonna use my finger to blend it like this. So it's just like putting moisturizer. Next, I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer in light medium 12. I really like this concealer. It has very high coverage and very light. It feels like I'm not wearing a full coverage concealer. For my contour, I'm going to use the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer 11.75. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Buffing Foundation brush. For my powder, I'm going to use Dragon Beauty Translucent Setting Powder in pink under my eyes. And I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics Beige Setting Powder to contour under my cheeks. Set it before you bake it. Pink setting powder is very brightening under your eyes. It is a good transition for your blush. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the Benefit Hula Bronzer. I have the Horoscope Earth Angel from Benefit, and it has the Hula Bronzer, Cookie Highlighter, Georgia Highlighter, and also Honeymoon Blush. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax with a little product in the brush. Put the product in my brows and then start brushing it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shape my brows first with the styling wax and then go in with a pencil liner. All right, I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then I'll go back in my brows. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the new Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Skin Highlighter in Lunar Nude. It has a very nice gold packaging, so pretty. I made a separate video reviewing these products. I am going to link the video in the description box. So I'm gonna put it here. This highlighter is really pretty in person. It has little specks of blue, which is unusual. I love this highlighter. Highly recommend it. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil in Black Brown. I'm going to fill the sparse area on my brows. All right, we're ready for the eyes. I am very excited. This is the Pat McGrath Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. It has 18 shadows inside. Let me show you guys. This is the palette, the back. The shadows are listed at the back. The packaging is made out of cardboard. Everything is like, this one is a sticker. This is not a sticker, it's printed on the cardboard. These colors are very pretty. All right, I think I know what I'm gonna do. First, I'm going to tightline my eyes. I'm going to create a very dramatic look, so I want to tightline my eyes. I already have concealer on my lids, so we're ready to go. There are only few matte colors that I can use for my transition shade here. I am going to use the shade right here. This is Sun Rose Amber. I'm going to put this all over my lids. Such a pretty shade, especially for fall. That's so pretty. I can just leave it like that. It's so pretty, guys. It's a perfect brown for fall. I have a 15% code in the description box. You can use it for your first shopping at patmcgrath.com. All right, that's so pretty. I just want to leave it this way. I'm gonna use this shade. This is Saturn Sunset. I'm going to use this just to give a little depth, just to give it a little bit of shadow here before I put the next shade. I'm just using my natural crease to guide it, and I'm also using circle motion to blend. And then I'm gonna bring a little bit of this under my eye as well. I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Intensifies Artistry Wand. It's like a pen. I am putting this all over my lid. And then I'm gonna use this shade, Corrupt Copper. Oh, it's a very pretty copper. You guys ready for this? I'm gonna use the smaller flat brush to create a shape here. The brush works just fine. And whatever's left on the brush, I just blend it right here with the darker shade. I'm gonna get another small flat brush, super tiny, really good for detailing. I'm going to use the shade right here. It is called Solar Flare. I'm gonna put it under my brows. I'm also gonna put the same shade in the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, I think we're done. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I'll just put some mascara and then I'll be back. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Fetish Eyes mascara, Pat McGrath. This is my favorite Pat McGrath mascara. I'm gonna apply mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Look at that. Alright guys, done with the eyes. I think it's so pretty. Wow. For my blush, I'm going to use this one. I think it will match the eye look. This one is the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Divine Blush Desert Orchid. Very pretty. Wow. I'm going to spray again. For my lips, I'm going to start with Pat McGrath Labs Parma Gel Ultra Lip Pencil in Supernatural. And then I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Liquid Lust Legendary Wear Matte Lipstick in Nude Cabaret. This is such a good combination, guys. I'm just gonna put it right at the center and then blend it with my finger. You can also blend it with brush, whatever floats your boat. You guys, it's so pretty just the way it is. But I'm going to top this with a lip gloss. This one is the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss Lip Gloss in Earth Angel. I'm going to match this lipstick a little bit with the eyeshadow, so I'm going to get a little bit of Corrupt Copper. I am going to just lightly dab it on my lips. Just enough to make a little bit orange. I really want to try these Kiss MLB My Lash But Better. This one is in No Filters. Recently, Ash K. Home used this for Megan Fox. It was so pretty. I have to try. These are the lashes. I'm going to put them on and then I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back and I really love these lashes. They're very easy to apply. They're so light and they didn't really hide my eye makeup. Usually some dramatic lashes, they hide your eye makeup, so there's no sense making your eye look good if they're just gonna cover it. Ash K. Home, she knows what's up. I finally found my favorite lashes. Again, this one is No Filters. They're very affordable. I highly recommend these lashes. It's so pretty. Wow. Alright guys, so this is the look. I am all done. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So for my review, this palette is such a bomb. I highly recommend it for the price and for the formula that you're getting. It's so good. I feel like the quads in this one, they have the same formula. So getting 4 shadows from those quads, $54. Just get this one. It is $78 for 18 shades. It's at Sephora and Sephora is on sale right now. It is great for fall, like this look here. It is also great for Christmas, New Year, coming holidays. Guys, this is the palette right here. Thanksgiving, this is the look for Thanksgiving. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. They're having their massive sale right now. I'm going to link everything you need in the description box, so check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.